All right, hello and welcome to another Fossil in Focus. Today we're taking a closer look at this theropod egg. So this is from Mongolia. It was laid during the Cretaceous about 74 million years ago. Now this theropod egg belonged to Oviraptor, who by name is known as the egg thief or egg stealer. And that's because this dinosaur fossil was found sitting on a nest of eggs during the Roy Chapman Andrews 1920s expedition to Mongolia. So when they found these eggs, they thought that they belonged to Protoceratops, and the fossils that were found kind of around and in the nest, they thought were trying to steal these eggs. And so these eggs sat kind of in museums and on display as identified as Protoceratops eggs, but that was incorrect. So in the mid-1990s, a fossil embryo was actually found inside one of these eggs and was correctly identified as being an Oviraptor embryo. So in fact, this Oviraptor that was found on top of the nest was not stealing the eggs, but it was in fact just associated with its own nest and its own eggs. Now the eggs themselves are laid in a circle, so the eggs are found kind of paired, so two eggs, and they're put in a circle that are going around and in two layers. So there's a circle and then another circle on top, and they're sort of sitting inside of that nest. Again, two eggs next to each other going around. The nests themselves have between 15 and 30 eggs per nest. So that's pretty interesting, just kind of understanding the behavior of Oviraptor with this nesting behavior. Now there have been at least 8 different articulated skeletons of Oviraptor found on top of these Oviraptor nests. Now the exact reason why they were on the nest, whether they were incubating the eggs or protecting the eggs, or perhaps just in the process of laying the eggs in the nest, it's not actually known. These are just 3 different hypotheses that have been proposed to explain the presence of those dinosaurs on top of their nests. So anyway, that's our quick look at this very cool theropod egg for our Fossil in Focus. Until next time, I wish you adventure and happy learning.